2017 Toyota Corolla IM. The Toyota Corolla IM is a functional hatchback with a sporty look. You'll be thrilled with a comfortable ride, spacious interior, and overall enjoyable driving experience. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning front, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console, rear window wiper, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.